Hi guys, so NLAT 2020 is finally happening, and a lot of us are panicked about it as to how to prepare for it and how to do the final exam. Okay, so today I'm going to give you certain tips that is going to help you improve your score in NLAT 2020. Okay, so first thing first, a lot of you had this doubt as to whether you will be allowed to use rough sheets for doing your rough maths work, and that is allowed. So NLSIU Bangalore has allowed two A4 size sheets for doing your maths rough work. Okay, so make sure that you have two A4 size sheet for that. Another important thing to see here is to do all the mock tests that NLSIU Bangalore releases. And why am I saying this is because जैसे CLAT का भी जब new pattern आया था, so all we needed is a lot of practice with the new pattern. So NLAT 2020 का pattern भी काफी different है, ठीक है, from CLAT 2020. So we need some experience. And I've been told that there can be 2 or 3 mock tests released by NLSIU Bangalore in coming days. So make sure you to attempt all the mock tests, keeping the time as 45 minutes itself. Okay, so that is going to help you as to how to understand going about that exam. Now, another very important thing to consider here is, even if you leave a question in NLAT 2020, there is negative marking. Therefore, I suggest you guys to attempt all the questions. And why am I saying this is because this exam comprises of only 40 questions. And 40 questions में ऐसा होगा कि 1-2 मार्क्स से इधर उधर बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस बन जाएगा, and that will be differential because seats are also limited in LS Bangalore. So when you see a question, there are 3 possibilities in it, right? And या तो आपको आता है या आपको नहीं आता है, और या आपको आता है but you're not sure about it. Okay, so there are 3 possibilities. So when you know it, you know it. It's simple, you mark the right answer. When you do not know it, okay, basically you're not sure about it, उस केस में obviously you are confused between 2 or 3 options. Make sure that you eliminate the wrong options. ठीक है, थोड़ा दिमाग लगा सकते हो उसमें, because अगर आपको थोड़ा आइडिया है तो you must have read it somewhere. So look for the most plausible option. Now the thing is what to do when you have no idea about the question. Okay, so उसमें बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, they just mark a particular option. For example, say if you do not know answers to 6 questions, you'll mark all the options B. ठीक है, that is one way of doing it. But another way of doing it is, for example, if you looked at the sample paper released by NLS Bangalore, they had a question as to what is the collateral accepted by Grameen Bank. Okay, now a lot of us have no idea about what Grameen Bank is, what did it do, 1973 में क्या हुआ था, something, we have no idea. Okay, so these are certain questions जिसका हमें कुछ भी पता नहीं है, but the options were utensils, kettles. Okay, these were the kind of options that were given to us. So when you have no idea about the question, make sure you read the options properly. Okay, because you can eliminate a lot of options and come to the right answer even if you do not know the answer. ठीक है, इसके बाद भी अगर कुछ नहीं बच जाता, ठीक है, इसके बाद भी if you feel कि options are also very similar and we have no idea about it, then you can go for that strategy wherein you mark B or C or A or whatever you like. All the answers that you have no idea about, you can mark a particular option. And why it is important to mark all the questions is because a lot of you will argue कि sir, the thing is कि there is negative marking and therefore we'll incur a lot of negative marks here. But if you look at it, say there are 6 questions you have no idea about. Okay, even if you mark all of them and there are 2 answers that are correct out of those 6, okay, अगर सिर्फ 2 भी सही होते हैं उनमें से, then also your marks will be in positive, you'll have a +2. So that is an advantage of this exam, wherein +2 you get for every correct answer. Other than that, very important thing to consider here is when you look at the questions, don't forget that you cannot come back. Okay, for example, say you're in question number 1, लेकिन आपको लगता है पहले question number 2 कर लेता हूँ फिर I'll come to question number 1. That is not a possibility in this exam. You'll have to go chronologically. Basically जिस तरह से दे रखा है उसी तरह से आपको लाइन से चलना पड़ेगा. So how do you tackle that? Okay, how do you do your questions quickly? So for example, in the first question, the question is related to quantitative techniques or say legal reasoning or critical reasoning for that matter. First read the question and then go to the passage. And why am I saying this is because for example, there's a question on quantitative technique. तो जब आप question पढ़ोगे ना, you will get an idea as to what the question expects from us. You can directly move to the passage and look to those parts जहां पे numbers ज्यादा दे रखे हैं, because obviously वहीं पे उसका आंसर होगा क्योंकि वहीं पे उसका question दे रखा है, right? So there is no point reading that 500 words का passage again and again. बट इंग्लिश में ऑब्वियसली हमको रीड करना पड़ेगा. सेम गोज फॉर क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग. ओके, नो नीड टू read the passage before you read the question. For legal reasoning, as per the sample paper or the sample question that they gave to us, the principle was already given in the question, so there was no need to read the passage actually. So if that is the case, make sure that you do not waste your time reading the passage. So read the question first. Okay, that is very important. Other than this, a lot of you have this really genuine doubt as to how do we prepare current affairs. Okay, because current affairs का कोई scope भी नहीं है and we do not have a lot of days. Obviously, we had roughly a week to prepare for NLAT. So how do we go about it? So nobody expects you to slog day and night for current affairs or for anything in NLAT 2020. Whatever you prepared for CLAT so far is enough. Now what you can do is you can use the rule of elimination here. And how do we do that? So there are certain questions which actually include certain information from a lot of sections. For example, there are 5 sections in NLAT. उन 5 sections से जो question बन सकते हैं सिर्फ वही questions आ सकते हैं. So these questions could be on certain economic issues, certain government initiatives. Okay, for example, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. There are a lot of things that the government keeps doing each day. So make sure that you have an idea about important government schemes at least. Other than this, there could be certain case laws of the Supreme Court. And what kind of case laws? Okay, so for example, there was this recent case wherein certain Indian fishermen were killed in water by some foreign nationals. So these are the kind of questions which have a legal reasoning part because obviously they were killed. They have a logical reasoning part because there could be certain critical reasoning question और वो तो किसी से भी बन सकते हैं. They have a quantitative technique part also. And why do I say this? Is because you can be given a hypothetical situation wherein fishermen's boat and the boats of foreign nationals may be given, and you may be asked as to, you may be given the speed of the boat and certain time and distance of the boat, and you may be asked to solve that question with respect to time, distance, speed. So these kind of questions can be expected. So make sure that you're ready for these questions. Don't panic about it. That is something I want to say because a lot of students are really panicking about it as to how to prepare. No need to panic about it. Just be as calm as you can. Prepare as much as you can. For your convenience, I've attached a list of some of the most important current affairs that I feel may come for NLAT 2020. So make sure you prepare those well. Other than that, in my YouTube channel, visit the current affairs playlist. I've mentioned some very important current affairs and I've explained it really properly with the background. Make sure you understand and watch all those videos. Take notes out of those videos. That is very important because videos देख के आप generally भूल जाओगे. So make sure you do all of that. All the very best, guys. Do well.